Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainy Matrix, your go-to channel for all things tech and DIY. Ever wondered if you could actually generate electricity using just magnets? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of electromagnetism. Today, I'm going to show you a simple DIY method to create electricity with magnets. It's a fun and educational project that you can do right at home. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Not only is it super cool, but it's also a great way to understand the basics of how electricity works. Alright, let's get into it. Roll up your sleeves and get ready to become a mini electrical engineer. First, let's cover some basics. Understanding the fundamental principles will make the whole process much easier. What you need is a magnet, some copper wire, and a nail. Yep, that's it. These simple materials are all you need to get started. Now, the key here is understanding Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This might sound complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Faraday's law is the principle behind many electrical devices we use every day. Faraday's law states that a change in the magnetic environment of a coil of wire will induce a voltage in the coil. In other words, moving a magnet through a coil of wire generates electricity. Translation: move a magnet through a coil of wire and you get electricity. Cool, right? This is the basic principle behind electric generators. Let's start with our materials. Gather your magnet, copper wire, and nail. These are the building blocks of our mini generator. Grab your magnet. A strong neodymium magnet works best. These magnets are incredibly powerful and perfect for our experiment. Then get your copper wire. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity, making it ideal for this project. You can find both of these easily online or at a local hardware store. They're quite affordable and readily available. Finally, a big iron nail. The nail will serve as the core around which we'll wrap our copper wire. Now wrap the copper wire around the nail tightly. The more coils you make, the more electricity you can generate. Make sure you leave some wire free at each end. These ends will be used to connect your load, like a small LED bulb. This is where you'll connect your load, like a small LED bulb. Here's the fun part. Watching the bulb light up is incredibly satisfying. Move the magnet quickly back and forth along the nail wrapped in copper wire. This motion changes the magnetic field and induces a current. The faster the movement, the more electricity you generate. Simple physics. And guess what? You're harnessing the power of electromagnetism. You've just created a basic electric generator. This is the same principle used in large-scale power generation. At this point, you should see the LED bulb light up. It's a small but significant achievement. If it's not lighting up, don't worry. Troubleshooting is part of the learning process. Try adjusting the speed of the magnet or the number of wire coils. Sometimes, small changes can have a big impact. Sometimes little tweaks can make a big difference. Experiment with different configurations to see what works best. Now, let's talk about why this works. Understanding the science behind it makes the experiment even more fascinating. Moving the magnet changes the magnetic field around the wire, which creates a flow of electric current. This is the essence of electromagnetic induction. This current is what lights up the LED. It's a direct application of Faraday's law. It's basic electromagnetism in action. Pretty fascinating, right? This principle is used in countless devices and technologies. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore in the world of electromagnetism. You can scale this up, experiment with different configurations, and who knows, you might even discover new ways to generate electricity. Maybe you'll come up with an innovative new energy solution. The possibilities are endless when you start experimenting. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome DIY tech projects, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Brainy Matrix. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content. Your support means the world to us. We love sharing these projects with you and can't wait to see what you create. Catch you in the next video. Stay curious and keep experimenting.